Namaste. I find as the age is growing, my body is becoming stiff, rigid. There is a less flexibility is decreasing, and in the knees, I am experiencing some tension, some little bit of pain, and in order to remove the pain in my knees, I am experimenting with some exercises by sitting on chair exercises for tension, knee problems. So what I am doing, I am sitting on a chair, the rigid chair is rigid, my body posture is straight. I am putting my two hands and I am going to do some exercises. First, I will raise the ankles, and you will see, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now I will lift my foot, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. There are muscles. What is happening with age? There is a wearing and tearing of the muscles, and at this part, I'm experiencing some tension, pain. So what I am doing? The next one, I'm lifting my leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Next leg, inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. Now what I am trying to do, I am just going to stand up, sit, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now I'm going to raise my leg. I'm experiencing some stretch here. Stretch at this part. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. I am experiencing some stretch at this part of my leg. Inhale, exhale. 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 Little bit more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. straight right leg. Inhale, exhale. 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 Reverse. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now my left leg. Inhale, exhale. 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 Let me give another stretch to my leg. I'm feeling a stretch at this part of my leg. This part of my leg. This part of the leg. I'm stretching on the back. Okay. Now I'm going to raise my this leg on this. How much I can do? Inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch. I'm feeling the stretch here. And I will change the leg. Left leg on the right. Inhale, exhale. 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 Feeling the stretch? Inhale, exhale. Reverse. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Reverse. Now I'm opening my two legs. Inhale, exhale, stretch. I'm stretching. Inhale, exhale. 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 I feel now that some stretch at different parts of my legs. Inhale, exhale. 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 Half inhale, half exhale. Reverse. Small, I'm trying to make my legs more flexible, the joints. There's a wearing and tearing off with age. I'm trying to relieve that tension, stress in the muscles and trying to free my joints. And again, last time I will do inhale, exhale. 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 So this simple exercise on the chair I find has benefiting me, helping me in relieving of the knee tension, knee stress, knee pain, and it is making my muscles stronger, and I think I will be able to relieve the knee pain, knee stress by simple exercise which I have done on the chair. Namaste.